Now let's quickly take a look at IP capital. Now, IP capital is what some persons will call intelligence prime capital. Now, I normally use my three parameters to actually look at any platform that I'm asked to do an honest review of. Now, some friends called me and asked me to do an honest review of IP capital. Now, I want you to make sure you watch the video to the end because I'm going to present three parameters, my three parameters that I normally use to check platforms. And at the end of the day, I'm going to give you a bonus. That bonus is going to be the kicker, something to help you decide on. Normally, I don't decide for people. I just state what I've found and I allow people to decide for themselves. So that is what I'm going to be doing right now with IP capital. Now, if you go to Google and you search for IP capital, you are going to find stuff like this. You see, I actually searched for the name of the company, which is the Intelligent Prime Capital Limited. Now, with my research, I found out this is the name of the company. The company is the one that is floating the website ipcapital.com. And that is a website that actually houses certain robots that are making wave right now. They are popular right now. Now, three robots that are actually fetching people lots and lots of money. So we're just going to look at use my three parameters. I said the first parameter is to find out the money system. What is the cash out like? Can you easily withdraw your money? That is the first. Or what are the financial risks? The second one is what are people saying? You got to check Google that I've come now. Look at Google and see what people are saying. Go to places like Quora. Go to forums like NairaLand and all that to find out what people are saying about the certain product or the site or the platform that you want to actually know things about. Then the last one is what are the ratings, what are the restriction, and what are the regulation if it has to do with the financial market. Now, these are the three parameters we're going to use very quickly when considering IP capital. Now, IP capital, this is a platform. When you come to this site, you're going to get this. They are telling you there are lots of fake websites parading themselves as IP capital out there. Now, the reason why they're saying this is because there's a particular website that has their name. You know, the name here is Intelligent Prime Capital. There is intelligentprimecapital.com. Now, there is this one that is showing an ad here. You can see this an ad, showing an ad here. This one is intelligentprimecapital-bot.com. Now, they're actually disclaiming most of them. Now, if you go down, you will see others that are actually parading themselves as Intelligent Prime Capital. Now, like I said, you can use NairaLand to find out whether it's a scam or not, or what people are saying. Not actually whether it's a scam or not. Find out what people are saying, then you make your decision. I'm going to try to open that in another window. Now, let's go back to ipcapital.com. And this is the first disclaimer you are going to get. Now, for me, having many websites that are actually claiming to do this, claiming to be you, is a red flag for me. Or it is because you are doing very well that everybody want to copy you. It's possible. Now, let's use the first parameter. What is the cash out like? For many people who have spoken about it, now if you go to YouTube and search for it, many of these guys claim that they cashed out. For example, here is one of them who claimed that he has cashed out he said he has withdrawn 8,000 USD. Now, another one said, okay, this one is just telling you speculation. This is one that said he has cashed out and he was providing some kind of evidence. But I am still skeptical about that. Then let's go to this one. This person that was inviting everyone on NairaLand to IP Capital, and he showed us a screenshot of his as evidence of what is going on in his own account. Let me see if I can find that screenshot. Okay. Now, okay, this proves that the company exists. The company was registered in Toronto. Will go through that in a bit, but let me just see. Now, what I'm trying to say, this proof of the company's registration. That's what he's saying, and this proof of the trading and the profits. But what he showed us eventually was okay, showing us all this. Now, it's not actually yet. I went through it before now. It didn't actually show me any withdrawal. It's just showing me money that has been made, money that has been made. I didn't see any withdrawal here. Now, like I said, the YouTube fellow actually showed us his withdrawal. It showed his withdrawal right there. You can see here, withdrawal is 00. This is $9, $19, $19. If you check all the top screenshot that they have here, there is everybody's withdrawal is actually on 00. No one that has a withdrawal to actually prove. Now, what I'm saying is that I'm not convinced with the evidence of withdrawal that I've seen anywhere online. I'm not convinced. So that check out our perimeters number 1. Perimeter number 2, what are people saying? Now on NairaLand, people are saying wonderful things, and these guys are all marketers. So I will not take a marketer's word to be the truth of what people are saying. These guys are marketers because this thing has a network behind it, what we call MLM behind it, in such a way that you bring somebody and you earn a little more. So it has that behind it. So anybody can actually promote this and say good stuff. That is for NairaLand. Then another place which I trust is Quora. I went to Quora to check, and someone asked, and somebody answered it. And my first red flag here was that her name is Abigail Daniels. Abigail Daniels can be anyone. And Abigail Daniels is talking about what her husband is saying about IP Capital. And she referred to her husband as JE on Telegram. Well, it seems to be like those guys who called you and said they're stranded in an hotel. A female called you, and the female tell you, okay, talk to the hotel manager. The hotel manager is actually the real scammer. And that is what this seems to me. Because right here also, there is a balance, there is a profit, there is no withdrawal. That is one. That's going back to our withdrawal again. And right under that comment, somebody came and said, no, it is an MLM and a scam. Now, you refer to a particular link somewhere that has done a review on it already. Now, this same other fellow also collaborate that, well, there is a government warning that it's a potential scam that is about to happen. Maybe another big MLM is on the way, but you have to find out for yourself. This place they refer to is actually called BehindMLM.com, right? That's a website. And they actually try to bust myths or scam in the MLM community. And this is what they all have to say. They are skeptical because things have been changed on the site on a constant basis. We're going to the site now. And they also are skeptical because of the fact that another website called Harvard Trade was ghosted to create this other website called ipcapital.com, and Harvard Trade has actually disclaimed any partnership with Prime Capital. Now, that said, let's go to Prime Capital. Okay, that's the second one. Then the third one, which is the rating and registration, I'm going to go into that. Now, okay, let me just go into that, then I'll later go and explain the Prime Capital, what it's all about. Now, when I went to go check them up on Open Corporates, I searched for Intelligent Prime Capital Limited. That's the name of the company. Now, I found 3 companies registered as Intelligent Prime Capital Limited. There are 3 companies, one in Canada, one in Australia, and the other one in Colorado, USA. Now, let's go back to the site. Now, we have used our 3 parameters, and they didn't check out in any of them. The cash out is this speculations. What people are saying is 50-50. There's some are saying positive stuff, and like I said, they are marketers. I can't trust them. Then others are emphasizing that it's a scam, and the others are saying it's a potential scam. Countries have warned about it already. Then the last one, which is rating and registration, there are 3 companies registered. Well, it could be that one of those, like some of those what do they call them, a pyramid scheme that they ask you to register in your whole country as well. Maybe the next one I'll be here now will be registration from Nigeria or any other African countries. That one is possible they are legit, but let's just go to the site and do some digging for ourselves. Now, I can remove this and let's go to the products. The product is actually 2. They have the robot and they have the IP cloud. let me try to explain the three kind of robot that they have very briefly. They have the smart robot, they have the brilliant robot, and they have the genius robot. Now, the smart robot will give you a return on investment of about 15%. And you have to pay for the robot, and it's very cheap or very affordable. It is $19.9, and the promo price now is $9.9. You pay for the robot, and the least you can use in trading here is $100, and you can make up to 15%. That's what they said. That's for the smart robot, smart bot. Then the brilliant bot, the cost is 39.9%, and the promo price now is 90.9%, $90.9. Sorry, that is the promo price. Then the percentage of what they said you can earn is 30%. 30%. That's what you can earn, and you can trade with either between $100 to $1,000. Then the Genius bot is the cost is 99.9. That's the cost of the Genius bot, and you can trade from 100 to unlimited. You can use any amount to trade, and monthly estimated profit is 45%. So you have 45%, you have 30%, and you have 15%. That's for the three bots that they have. That's the AI bots that they have. That is what you could likely make. Now, back to the site. Like I said, they have two products. Then they are about. I'm always interested in about of companies. So I'm going to click on the about. It take me to the about now. Okay, here we go. Now this is what normally interests me in major companies. This is the about of IP Capital. That is what that website that actually tried to bust MLM was talking about. Now, we consider ourselves a pioneering broker. We were founded in 2006, which is considered a lifetime in the online trading industry. In fact, we were one of the very first forex trading platforms to be made available to retail traders, just like you. In that time, we have built a solid reputation for ourselves, and we believe it is incumbent upon us to protect that reputation and the strong relationship we have with our client. As we are one of the most highly regulated online brokers out there to offer CFD trading online. This gives our trader now. The reason I took time to read a lot here is because I wanted to find out if they were founded in 2006 and they didn't have a platform until when they started their website. But that is not what they're saying here. They said they were actually the first to have a trading platform. That's one. Then the second thing they said here is the reason why you should trust them is because they offer CFD trading online. That means they've been doing this. That's what they are trying to say since 2006. However, when I did who is search on their company, this is what I found out. Their website was actually registered under GoDaddy. Were registered on 8th of June and updated this 7th of December. Now, it was the company that registered it. This is why I know the very company is Intelligent Prime Capital Limited. They actually said it somewhere on their site as well. Then they were registered in Ontario. That's Canada. Now, that tallies with what we found in Open Corporates that they were registered in Canada. You can see when they were registered in Canada. Registered in Canada on the 2nd of June. And the website came up. Let's see, the website came up, or website was registered on the 8th of the same June. Now this tally, right? Registered first in Canada on the 2nd of June. Website registered also on the 8th of June. Now, also here, you can see that later they went to register it in the US on the 16th of June, Colorado. They registered in Australia on the 17th December 2021. And that 17th December also tally with the time it was updated here, which was on the 7th. Now, I want you to make your own conclusion. I'm not concluding for you. But as far as I'm concerned, there are too many red flags on the website. The website itself, they claim themselves that they were founded in 2006 and they had forex trading platform. Maybe it's another platform. Maybe they are coming from another place. But what we found out from AvaTrade is that AvaTrade disclaimed them because most of the content that started IP Capital actually came from AvaTrade, and AvaTrade said, we don't know these guys. Now, you have to make your own conclusion. Now, these are my findings, going through different websites to actually find out about these guys. However, I want you to take a look at something for me. I want to take a look at this video for me. Like I said, there's other videos on YouTube, the one we saw before, that claim that they cashed out. But if you have watched my previous video, I've told you before that some people make videos on YouTube because they were asked to. They were paid on Fiverr to go make a video of credit. Yeah, right? Yes, that's what it's called. To make a credit video to make a certain company look more credible than it is actually.
In the 21st century, new technologies such as blockchain, artificial intelligence, and big data have completely redefined the way we conduct business. As longtime veterans within the fintech industry, we at IP Capital have a vision to harness these technologies to accelerate value creation in the new digital era, and in turn, transform the world. IP Capital is an international company committed to providing users with a comprehensive suite of digital asset services. We specialize in research and development into the future of fintech, such as quantitative trading, leveraged AI trading systems, cloud storage systems, and enterprise management software. At IP Capital, we have sworn to uphold the principles of professionalism, innovation, collaboration, and integrity to constantly create and redefine value for our clients by analyzing new opportunities, continuously building relationships, and executing the best strategies with our clients in mind. IP Capital have achieved tremendous success in the market within a short period of time. We are proud to serve users and enterprises from over 10 countries, and we will continue to inspire and drive every individual and business in the world. After years of dedicated research and development, the team has released 2 new exciting products. First, the Artificial Intelligence Analysis AIA bot system, an automated trading system that uses our proprietary AI predictive analytics to analyze trading patterns, determine trends, and automatically execute trades. The second, IP Cloud, is a diversified asset management platform that can provide reliable custodian services for both enterprises and individual users. Users can also easily manage and grow their digital asset portfolio with us by trading or staking within IP Cloud. With an emphasis on continuous innovation, we are inventing new paths and breaking the old ways. Our high-quality products and solutions will help users survive in the new financial markets. Join us to build a better tomorrow and shape the future of fintech.
Hi, I'm Dr. Val, CMO of Intelligent Prime Capital. IP Capital is an international company specializing in using artificial intelligence technology to push the boundary of the fintech industry. Personally, I'm optimistic about the future trend of AI, and with the current pandemic, the need for decentralization and automation has only accelerated the pace of its adoption. This is why IP Capital, we are continuously innovating and implementing AI technology into many.
Okay, we can shut it down here. Now, what I just wanted to see is that a company that happened to be a financial company that want to dominate or claim to have been dominating the fintech for a while There is no physical presence, no building. What you can see behind that is what? I believe you know what that is. That's a UN flag, right? And this is supposed to be what they call the CMO, right? This is supposed to be the CMO, the Chief Marketing Officer of IP Capital. And in his office, what you can see is UN flag. Now, for me, these are credit videos. Do a research on this man by name Dr. His name displayed right now. If you do a research on him, you will not find anything about him. This is the name Dr. Va NG SH. I actually did a research on this man, and there was nothing about him. I haven't worked in anywhere, and he's the CMO. Now, on their site, there is nothing about the leaders of the platforms. First time I came here, I actually saw pictures of two people, the CMO and I know one other chief executive. But right now, I cannot find them anywhere on this site, right? So you have to do your own research and make your own conclusion. Mine is very simple. The 3 check I normally use the checkout platform, they didn't check for me. I cannot confidently say that the cash out is true that I have seen. Some claim they have cash out. Some others, what they showed us, there is no withdrawal. Number 2 is that what people are saying is still 50-50. It hasn't come to 60-40 yet. As a matter of fact, those who are saying that they are scam, they are more emphatic and they are shouting louder than those who are actually claiming that it works. Now, those who are saying that it works, they seem to me to be like those who have joined the network and they want others to join them. That's what it seemed to me. Now, then the last one, which is the rating, registration, and regulation, there are big discrepancies, like I showed you here. 3 companies registered. They were all registered around June last year, and between June and December last year. And these guys claim that they have been there for a long time. And you know what? The address that they use here in Toronto is actually an online address, which has been used by several other companies before. Online, you can get online address anywhere. And that accounts for why this man will shoot a video, claim to be CMO, nothing about the company's building is shown, nothing about the company's logo is shown anywhere other than the one that was superimposed on the video here. So, guys, this is my big bonus for you. Be careful, because Dr. Va cannot check out anywhere other than a very sketchy LinkedIn profile. Go and check it for yourself. I've done my own research, and this is my honest review of IP Capital. Like I said, many other people call it Intelligent Prime Capital. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any platform you want us to help you to do an honest review, drop it in the comment section. You have proved that you have withdrawn and you are enjoying your money. Go to the comment section. Give us proof. Maybe some people will be convinced by you right here in the comment section and join your own aspect of this IP Capital platform. So this is where I'm signing out. See you in the next video.